Very good morning, children. We were in lesson 14, and today we are going to start the part 3. In the previous video, we have discussed regarding the rise of Nazism. In this video, we are discussing regarding the rise of Hitler and how the Hitler Nazi party has come down and how all the countries have freed by getting independence. That we are going to discuss in this lesson. Let us start the video. Rise of Hitler. In the previous video, we discussed regarding the rise of Nazism. Nazism is a party and it is an ideology which was started by Hitler. And on 23rd March 1933, the famous Enabling Act was passed. And this act has given rights to Hitler to become as a dictator. It gave Hitler all powers to sideline parliament and rule by decree. All political parties and trade unions were banned except for the Nazi party and its affiliates. The state established complete control over the economy, media, army and judiciary. No other things have any right here. Only Hitler have the right. Whatever he says, all the other group of people should follow compulsory. If not, they will be getting severe punishments. And along with this, different other things were also started. This is the Enabling Act of 1933, which was passed in the Reichstag, the German parliament. So, lot of votes were given to Hitler to make his own laws. Those are only called as decree. And this is the original form of the Enabling Act where the constitution has passed in Germany at that time. Along with this, he has started to change some sort of things even in the police reforms also. Apart from the already existing regular police in green uniform and the SA or the stormtroopers, these included along with the stormtroopers, some sort of other police forces like Gestapo, who are called secret state police, and the SS, the protection squads, and criminal police and the security service, which are called SD. These are very important, children. So all these are the different types of police people who were started by Hitler at that time. Actually, there are some regular police are there, but along with those regular police, the Gestapo, the SS, criminal police and security services, those are all were started, and these acquired powers to rule with the impunity. Lot of powers will be given for these people to rule along with the conditions which are given by the Hitler. These are the stormtroopers. You people may have seen this even in the Star Wars also. After this only the Star Wars have come. So you can see those such a type of armors only they also use it to wear in that. So these are the stormtroopers who were at the time of World War I and even at the time of World War II also. These are the Gestapo, the secret state police forces. And these are the SS, the protection squads. This is the proper uniform what they used to have at that time. And next one is criminal police and the security service, SD. I did not get proper pictures regarding that, but this is the emblem what they used to have upon their dress. And at the time of Great Depression also, Germany is also attacked more. At that time, Hitler is a dictator of Germany. So he should take some sort of preventive steps to come out of it. So at the time of Great Depression, he assigned the responsibility of economic recovery to the economist Hjalmar Schacht. He is the greatest economist at that time, like J.M. Keynes, whom we have discussed in the previous video also. So full employment and full production was started by the Hjalmar Schacht at that time to provide a state-funded work creation program. With that program, full employment and full production was started. At that time only, he has started one project which produced the famous super German highways. So, German super highways are famous till today, and Autobahn are the names of those German super highways. And even the people's car like Volkswagen, all these were started at that time only. I already said in the previous video, government should take the initiative step to come out of the Great Depression. So here This Hjalmar Schacht is an economist and he has advised Hitler that government only should invest the funds. Because of that only some funds were invested by the government and employment opportunity is created for the people for the constructing of the German super highways, and also they have started this people's car company Volkswagen also. And under the shadow of the Second World War, Germany has waged a genocidal war. Genocidal war means with a lot of chemicals, gases, and a very worst war that is called genocidal war, and which resulted in the mass murder of selected group of innocent civilians of Europe. Different people, normal innocent people were killed. Actually, the number of people killed including about 60 lakhs Jews and 20 lakhs gypsies and almost 1 crore of Polish civilians and 70,000 Germans who were considered mentally and physically disabled. I already said in the previous video, Hitler used to think that with the people like physically and mentally handicapped people, with those people there is no use for the country, and so those people should be killed. So many of the people like mentally and physically handicapped people were killed, and even 10,000 homosexuals like gays. And besides, innumerable political opponents or people of different religious faiths were also killed. He used to think only one thing, that Nazis are the greatest race in the world. Except Nazis, no other religion or no other ideology people should live in Germany. And also Nazis devised an unprecedented means of killing people, that is by gassing them in various killing centers like Auschwitz. In the previous video I already shown you the concentration camps, and those are the Auschwitz camps. All these people were taken there and they used to give a very bad and torture those people like anything, and with that the people die there itself. So, and there will be some sort of rooms with some gas chambers in it. All these people will be sent inside those gas chambers and some poisonous gases will be released there, and with that gas many of the Jews will be killed there only, and these dead bodies will be dumped in the outskirts of the towns and cities. It's a very worst thing which was happened in Germany at the time of Hitler. He is the Hjalmar Schacht and he is the famous economist who has given a lot of support at the time of Great Depression to Germany. And these are the German super highways which are called Autobahn, and these are the very famous super highways, and these were created mainly at the time of the Great Depression. They were started and till today they are very super highways. At last, we came to the defeat and the end of the Second World War. The victories of German armies were turned back after the defeat of the German forces in the famous Battle of Stalingrad in 1943. They captured Berlin, the capital of Germany. I already said you before, when any of the capital city was captured, then the country is said to be defeated in the war. So Berlin is the capital of Germany. The Berlin was captured by the Allied forces. Hitler and his close associates committed suicide to avoid being captured and tried. So here one more story is that behind the things which are happened here. There is a thing that at the time of this Berlin war, Berlin was captured. The next day Hitler should decide, he should say to the public that they were defeated in the war. But he was not willing to be saying all these things. Because of that, what he has done, the before day only he married his PA, and the next day he killed the PA by giving some poison and by mixing it in the wine, and even he had one dog. That dog was also killed, and he too personally himself committed suicide also. So after that there are a lot of rumors that because Hitler used to have a lot of spies will be there now. So he used to dress up one person like as it is himself and used to send the person outside. If any person have any grudge upon Hitler, they used to think that that is only Hitler, the person who came out of that only is Hitler, and they used to kill him. Then he comes to know that the original Hitler comes to know that okay, he have some enemies in that particular place, and he used to kill all those people. Like that, they used to, many of the people after the death of Hitler also thought that he may not be a Hitler, but afterwards historians proved that Hitler only killed in at this suicide attempt. After that, after the death of Hitler, Germany was divided into two parts. One is Eastern Germany and the second one is Western part, Western Germany. The Eastern part of Germany was named as German Democratic Republic. What is it, children? German Democratic Republic, and which is under the control of USSR. The eastern part came under the control of USSR, and western part is named as Federal Republic of Germany, and which is under the control of USA. So eastern part is called German Democratic Republic under the control of USSR, and western part is called as Federal Republic of Germany, which is under the control of USA. This is a picture of the East Germany and West Germany. The green color part is West Germany, which is under the control of USSR and USA, and East Germany is under the control of USSR. This is the Berlin Wall. When the country is divided into two parts, East Germany and West Germany, at that time the wall was constructed in between, separating the places. That is only Berlin Wall, which made a lot of clashes in Germany. There are a lot of stories behind this Berlin Wall also. The people from one side can't go to the other side also. This is in between the country this wall was constructed, and in 1991 this Berlin Wall was dismantled. And we came to the end of the Second World War. How the Second World War came to an end, and Japan was bombarded with the atom bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. So with that, the Second World War came to an end, and these atom bombs were dropped by USA. And US armies occupied Japan, but they made the Japanese emperor to continue his ruling, because they have some sort of sentiments of Japanese, and so they allowed the Japanese emperor to continue. So, but it built a constitutional monarchy like in England, and Japan was to be ruled by the elected responsible government to the parliament, and the parliament of Japan is called Diet. What is the name of the Japan parliament, children? Diet. And many of the Nazi generals and leaders were captured and put to trial in the famous Nuremberg trials. What are these Nuremberg trials? These are the justice for the people who were suffered with the Nazis. Actually, we have discussed regarding the concentration camps and the Auschwitz camps. So, like that, the people who suffered there and who had made the people suffer there, all these people were captured and they caught and they were sent to the Nuremberg trials. These are like a big prisons and all. And there, they have given the punishment for the people. And even death sentence is also given for some of the people of the Nazis who have tortured the common people in Nuremberg trials. And they were sentenced to death also. By the collapse of the economic position of Germany and Japan, USA came up with a Marshall Plan to help these countries. After the Second World War, many of the countries' economic position is so worst and so bad. At that time, USA came up with the support that it gives some sort of economic support to some countries like Japan and Germany. And the plan which is given by the economic minister, financial minister of USA at that time is Marshall. Upon his name only the plan is given as Marshall Plan. The plan is given by a minister called as Marshall, and so it is called as Marshall Plan. With that Marshall Plan, some sort of funds will be given to Germany and Japan for the reconstruction purpose, because the countries were already damaged completely during the Second World War. So some sort of reconstruction purpose, some funds will be given to these countries. And this is the Nuremberg trials. The Nazis brought to justice. And this is a picture of a book which was written by Alexander MacDonald. So Nuremberg trials were there. Just it was to give the justice for the people who have suffered because of the Nazis. The first half of the 20th century ended with the nightmare of Hiroshima and Nagasaki and with the hopes generated by the founding of UNO. So, UNO was started, and with this, we have all got the hopes that the Third World War may not occur again. By 1950, countries like India, China, Indonesia, Vietnam, Egypt, Nigeria, etc. became independent. So, we got independence in the year 1947. Almost after the completing of the Second World War only, many of the countries have got the independence. And Britain, which was the most powerful country before the world wars, but now become as a secondary power, and which was emerged as the first primary power in the world, USA, because USA only supported all these countries financially, and so USA has become as the first super powerful country in the world after the world wars. But there is one more power which has competed with the USA. So two super new powers emerged on the world scene. Those are the USSR and the USA. So USSR in the east side and USA in the west side. How these countries have captured the power, what are the clashes which has occurred in between these two countries, that we'll be seeing in the next lessons. And this is the 14th lesson, children. I hope that everyone understood this video and complete lesson. If you have any doubts, you can clarify with me. And now there is an assignment. And before the assignment, I want to show this. The name of the German parliament is Reichstag. Japan parliament is Diet, and Russian parliament is Duma. Why I gave these three? Because these three are only discussed in the lesson today. So I have given this. But in the previous video, when I have given the question, what is the name of the German parliament, many of you have written wrong. So you should follow the textbook and the video. Don't go for Google. So in Google, the present name of the German parliament is given. But the German parliament before name is Weimar Republic is also there. So after that it was turned into Reichstag. And now different other names were there. So follow the video and the textbook, children. And here is the assignment. I have given 5 questions. Write them properly and send it to me through WhatsApp. And meet you in next class, children. Thank you.